Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs. We are at day 5 of 365 days of garment sewing. Can I do it? I don't know. Thanks for tuning in. Stay with me on this journey. Today, what I would like to show you is Vogue 8873. And you can see I shopped the bargain bins. So this pattern is a cowl neck. Is it cowl neck? Crowl neck? Top. I made version D without the sleeves. In the long version with the full skirt. And it's a very interesting make. It has a zipper, but as per usual, I did not put the zipper in. So this is my version. It has a beautiful swirly skirt. It has kind of a curved waist seam, which I think is more flattering. I had quite a time cutting this dress out. This dress takes a lot of material. I usually, kind of pride myself on squeezing it out of less material all the time. And this, it said 3 meters, and I had 3 meters, but I actually had to piece the skirt because I couldn't get it all out of the material that I had. It takes so much material because it has such a full skirt, but it has a lined bodice, so you cut the front and back bodice twice, and then it has this over bodice, they call it, which is cut on the bias, which takes up a lot of material because cutting it on the bias takes up quite a bit of room on your material. So yes, this is a very fabric hungry dress, I would say, and 3 meters wasn't enough unless you want to piece the skirt, which turned out fine in the end. But yeah, to make it as per the pattern, I think you would actually need probably another meter. You probably need 4 meters to do this dress justice. So I had some trouble sewing this dress, but that was just me. No, not because of the pattern or anything, but because it is lined, and it is lined with the same material that is on the outside. I wasn't always sure if I was on the inside or the outside, and I did things like sew the shoulder seams inside out and have to pick them out. Then I put the skirt on and serged it inside out, and had to pick that all out. And that took just about as long as it did to make the dress originally. So yes, my husband pointed out, maybe you should have checked that after you pinned it. Yep, that would have been a good idea. I sew quite fast, and yeah, sometimes fast isn't always good because then you can make a mistake. So, but anyway, I picked it out, figured out which was inside, outside, front side, back side, and got it on right. And yeah, I think it turned out just fine. So that is Vogue 8873. And that is day 5. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you're sewing. Sewing is so much fun. Bye for now.